Claude.ai just rolled out its biggest update yet, and it's a game changer. We're talking about voice control, real-time web search even for free users, and the launch of their most powerful AI model, Claude Opus 4. Let's break down everything you need to know. Built by Anthropic and named after Claude Shannon, Claude.ai isn't just a chatbot, it's a helpful, honest, and harmless AI assistant. Designed using a concept called constitutional AI, Claude isn't trained just on human feedback, but on ethical guidelines. It acts more like a thought partner than a tool, great for brainstorming, deep research, or just helping you stay productive. One of the most exciting updates is Claude's new voice mode, now in beta for mobile users. Just speak your question, and Claude responds out loud, hands-free. It's perfect for multitasking, commuting, or simply talking instead of typing. Right now, it supports English and is being gradually rolled out across all plans. For paid users, Claude now integrates with Google Workspace. That means you can use voice commands to manage your calendar, read your emails, and even summarize Google Docs. In a big move, Claude now offers real-time web search to all users, including those on the free plan. This means you can ask about breaking news, latest updates, or real-time facts, and Claude fetches it live from the internet. Unlike some platforms that keep this feature behind a paywall, Claude gives it to everyone. Now let's talk about Claude Opus 4, Anthropic's most advanced model yet. Opus 4 is smarter, faster, and capable of understanding much longer conversations or documents. It delivers better reasoning, more accurate answers, and even creative content like poetry, stories, or technical reports. It's available to Claude Pro users and powers the highest tier of the platform. So how does Claude stack up against ChatGPT? While both platforms are powerful, Claude offers free web search, voice interaction for all users, and workspace integration for pros, features that OpenAI typically reserves for paid users. Opus 4 competes directly with GPT-4 Turbo, making Claude a serious contender in the AI race. To try it out, just download the Claude mobile app and start chatting by voice or text. Whether you're working, researching, or just exploring the future of AI, Claude is now more intelligent, more human-like, and more accessible than ever before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI updates.